the parishes within the Diocese of Imus. The cross is the central symbol of the Jubilee. It represents Christ, His sacrifice and His redemption won by His death. As pilgrims of hope, the Diocese of Imus would like to set the visitation as a proper time to remind the faithful about the Jubilee year of the Church is celebrating. This activity also aims to bring the message of hope to all parts of our local church in the Diocese of Imus. The visit also encourages the faithful to embark on a journey of faith in order to seek spiritual growth and inspire others to be instruments of hope as Jesus did. The Jubilee Cross visit aims to ignite the core values, Makadiyos, so as to invite faithful about their commitment to become pilgrims of hope through prayer, devotions, and other pious practices. The Jubilee Cross will stay in the parish for a week. This is to give more time to every parish to do activities that are suited to their need. The committee also drafted the recommended activities.
Ang parokya. Sa puok ng pag-iipon, maaring sa isang chapel o akmang lugar, ang tagapamuno ay makapagbigay ng maiking pananalita para sa pagdiriwang. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Nawa ang Diyos ng pag-asa, ang salitang nagkatawang tao, pinupuno tayo ng bawat kagalakan at kapayapaan sa ating pananampalataya. Sa papamagitan ng kapangyarihan ng banal na Espiritu ay maging kasama natin. Purihin ang Panginoon ang ating pag-asa.